So let me show you an easy way to maximize the space on your braid rack. Now this one has 280 pegs, which means technically you can get 280 pieces of hair on there. But I'm gonna show you how you can double, triple, quadruple that. So what you wanna do is go across like you would regular. Put one piece on each peg. Okay, now we got 10 pegs going across, so that's 10 pieces. But now you can go back to on that same row, instead of starting the next row and getting 10, 20, whatever, 10 on each run, go back on that same row and we're gonna take this piece and we're gonna put it around 2. And see, you still have this space right here where you can easily pick it up. So I'm gonna go this piece and I'm gonna go around the next 2. So now I have 15 pieces across that row. But I'm gonna do even better because I got another space right here, and I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna put this piece right over that space. Right where we have the spaces at, I'm putting another piece. And that was the extra 4. So now it's 19 pieces going across this row instead of just 10. So we can easily double the amount of pieces that we're putting on our rack. And sometimes if I'm doing small, I might even go over the 2 again. But if you want to make it easier to just grab your piece, then just go across the second and third time. And that's how you can get way more pieces on your braid rack instead of having to stop in the middle of a head and refill your rack because you're only putting one piece on there. We're not doing one piece. You can actually use this to prep for a couple clients. So I can put my first client, prep it on that side, and I can turn it around and I can prep for my next client on this side, or I can go put my curly hair on there for boho, or if I'm doing 2 colors, I can put another color on the other side. So there you go. This is how you can maximize the space on your braid rack to get even more hair on there and not just putting hair on each single peg. Double them up, double them up. Okay, so this is the new boho hair. This is some human crochet hair from QVR. And as you can see, we got this little like string piece in the middle, and then you got the two curly pieces. So using one piece is going to be like putting 2 pieces of curly hair in each braid at one time though. So this is going to save us like hella time. It's going to make it so much easier because we don't have to try to tuck in that like blunt cut in on the end of the boho hair. You just got this little piece that you need to braid in. So that's gonna save us some time. And this is like 1 pack plus this up here. This is 1 pack. So you only need 1 pack or 1 bundle of the crochet hair to do a whole head of boho. Now, if you want an extra full, then buy a couple packs. But 1 pack is enough for some boho. So I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is to put this hair in. Now I'm going to take my piece of crochet here. And as you see the string, that's what I'm adding into here. Now you can leave this 1 piece out or you can braid it in. I'm just gonna leave that one out. And then I'm gonna braid the other end in a little bit. And I'm just gonna braid it like past that little piece of string in the middle. And then once I do that, braid it past that string, then I'm gonna pull that piece out. So as you can see, I used 1 piece of crochet hair and I got 2 pieces of curly hair added into this braid. So do you know how much of a time saver this is going to be? Especially if you want to do something that's super full and you got to be adding 6 pieces in. You don't have to add in 6 pieces. You only got to add in 3 because it's double. And you don't have to worry about trying to hide that blunt cut in or taking the extra time to tuck it in. We don't have that blunt cut in. So this is perfect for boho. I'm like never going back to regular boho hair again after this.